is one spot that's more dangerous than another, and it's known as the Cemetary. My first time going in there, I was just using my radar and my plotter, and I was just watching where the boat in front of me was going, and I went through and I was able to pass through, but there's one spot I didn't get right, and then next thing you know, you're like, oh no, I'm stuck. The boat just stops. Like, oh no. And you're praying, you know, you're like, did I just rip the net? It can send you home. We're gonna go meet up with Greg with the Domega and then Molly. I'll go down there for 3 trips. We'll come back and should be good by the cemetery and that. So, yeah, cemetery is right there. You're seeing here. You gotta follow the line. If you're off a little bit, you tear the net. Yeah, you won't make it far.